Hey there, kitchen wizards and cooking enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of culinary convenience with the Panasonic Flash Express Small Toaster Oven. If you're tired of waiting around for your oven to preheat and want to enjoy perfectly cooked meals in a flash, you're in for a treat. Join me as we explore how this countertop wonder can revolutionize your cooking game. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. The Panasonic Flash Express Small Toaster Oven is a true game changer when it comes to cooking technology. Featuring double infrared heaters, it delivers instant heat, eliminating the tedious preheating process. It's designed to save you time and energy while ensuring your meals turn out to perfection. Let's delve into why this toaster oven deserves a spot in your kitchen. Number 1. Ready in a flash, no preheating required. Say goodbye to the long wait for your oven to reach the desired temperature. The high-efficiency quartz and ceramic heating elements in the Panasonic Flash Express are positioned both in the front and back, ensuring quick and even cooking from the inside out. It's like having your personal culinary speedster. Number 2. 6 auto-cook menus. One-touch controls make cooking a breeze. With 6 auto-cook menus, you can whip up your favorite dishes in no time. Whether it's toast, waffles, pizza, or more, just press the button and let this toaster oven do the rest. Get ready for hot, fresh meals and scrumptious sides, exactly how you like them. Number 3. Connected baking rack. Safety is paramount, and the connected baking rack is designed with that in mind. It automatically pulls out when you open the door, keeping your hands and fingers safe from the heat. It's a small but thoughtful touch that adds to your cooking comfort. Number 4. Smart sensor. No more babysitting your oven. The smart sensor technology turns the heat on and off automatically to maintain the perfect temperature and prevent your foods from burning. It's like having a culinary guardian angel watching over your dishes. Number 5. Auto shut-off. Worried about overcooking or burning your meals? The Panasonic Flash Express Toaster Oven has your back. When the cook time is over, it automatically shuts off, ensuring your dishes are cooked to perfection every time. Number 6. Included accessories. It's not just an oven, it's a complete cooking package. The included square baking tray is perfect for pizzas up to 9 inches in diameter, or up to 4 slices of bread. Plus, the removable crumb tray makes cleaning up a breeze. It's the complete culinary toolkit you've been waiting for. Now, let's talk about why you need the Panasonic Flash Express Small Toaster Oven in your life. Number 1. Time saving. In today's fast-paced world, every minute counts. This toaster oven's instant heat technology means you can enjoy your meals in a fraction of the time it takes with conventional ovens. Number 2. Energy efficient. Why waste energy and money on preheating? The Panasonic Flash Express is all about efficiency, helping you cook while reducing your environmental footprint. Number 3. Foolproof cooking. With the 6 auto-cook menus and smart sensor technology, you don't need to be a culinary expert to create perfect dishes. It's like having a cooking assistant at your fingertips. Number 4. Safe and user-friendly. Safety is a top priority, and the connected baking rack and auto shut-off feature ensure a worry-free cooking experience. It's perfect for busy households and kitchens of all sizes. Number 5. Versatile. From toasting your morning bread to making a crispy pizza, this toaster oven can handle it all. It's your go-to appliance for everyday meals and quick snacks. In conclusion, the Panasonic Flash Express Small Toaster Oven is a must-have addition to any kitchen. It's not just about cooking, it's about cooking smarter and faster. With its instant heat technology, smart sensors, and user-friendly features, it's a game changer that will save you time, energy, and hassle in the kitchen. Say goodbye to preheating woes and hello to perfectly cooked meals in a flash. Don't wait any longer. Make the Panasonic Flash Express a part of your kitchen arsenal today. Click that link and take the first step towards culinary convenience. Your taste buds and your schedule will thank you.